Yes, so the rat's feast. The school boys are naughty, stubborn, and don't like change. What happens when they meet an old man traveling on the same train? Some naughty school boys who are there on the train, stubborn, they don't listen, they don't think, uh, they don't want to change themselves, they like the way they are, have these naughty boys, who don't want to learn. So Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941, is one of the world's greatest writers. He was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems Gitanjali. Tagore not only wrote poems, novels, stories and plays, but is also known for his paintings and musics and compositions, which are today known as Rabindra Sangeet. Tagore's short stories and poems for children are favorite even today. So, let's go back to this and see what's going on here. The school boys are naughty, stubborn and don't like change. What happens when they meet an old man traveling on the same train? So now we have naughty people inside the train also. So let's see what happens. Characters in the play who all are acting: boy number 1, boy number 2, boy number 3, an old man and a secretary. Total 5 people. Scene 1. A railway compartment, a group of boys are talking loudly among themselves. If you have travelled by train, you will see that a lot of people, they sit together, they shout, shout, shout. Never learnt anything properly in school or never been to school. They don't know etiquettes, they don't know how to respect people. A railway compartment where you have all seats and all, you sit there. It's called a compartment. A bogie. Boy number 1. This is not fair. Boy number 2. We shall not study under a new Sanskrit teacher. Boy number 3. Kali Kumar. Tarkalankar. What a kind of name is that? Kali Kumar, Tarkalankar. What a kind of name is that? And they start laughing. This is not fair. We shall not study under a new Sanskrit teacher. Boy number 2 is saying, Kalo Kumro Tatkalanka, black pumpkin and red hot chili. And this laugh more. Kali Kumar Tarkalankar. So he is saying, he is breaking it up in the language. They are speaking in Bengali. Kali Kumar Tarkalankar. So they are saying it in Bengali. Kalo Kumro Tatkalanka means black pumpkin and red hot chili. And then laugh more. Boys in chorus, black pumpkin and red hot chili, we will soon make him look pretty silly. The chant continues till the end of the scene. They are laughing away, they are shouting away in the train. Now scene 2, what happens? The train stops at Arkola station. An elderly gentleman boards the train. He is carrying a bedroll, a few bundles, a big trunk, and 2 or 3 large earthen pots bound with cloth. What is he carrying? A bedroll. We have those hold dolls. Before I used to see. In my military time also we had hold dolls. In my hostel life I also have hold dolls. The bedrolls. You roll your mattress, you roll your blankets, you can put clothes in and roll it up, and then you put a belt. There's a belt, you fasten it so it becomes a bedroll. A few bundles, whatever he had, and a big trunk. A box. And 2 or 3 large earthen pots bound with cloth. It was tied with cloth. This man gets up at Arkola, elderly gentleman. Boy 2 yells, "Get down, you old fool, there's no room here, go to another carriage." See the culture. An elderly man has got up and this boy 2 is shouting at him, "Get down, you old fool. There is no place here. There is no room here in this. Go to another carriage." The old man, "The whole train's packed. I couldn't find a seat anywhere. Don't worry, I will sit in a corner here. I won't trouble you at all." Such a nice man. He's saying, what to do? The train is so much full. Don't worry, I'll not disturb you. I'll just sit on the corner of the seat. Don't worry. He leaves the whole seat to them and rolls out his bedding on the floor. He sits down and turns to them. He does not sit even on the seat, on the floor, the gap. He rolls his bedding and he sits on it and looks at them. Old man, where are you going, my sons? And for what? Boy 2, to settle someone's hash for him. Means they're going to have a fight somewhere, they're going to give someone their point of view, they're going to put down someone. Old man, and who would that be? Kalakumro Tatkalonka, boy 2 says. Boy 1 and 3 is not saying anything. Boy 2 is the naughtiest. See, from the first part only, boy 2 is continuously. Kalakumro Tatkalonka. Again, all the boys, all the friends. Black pumpkin and red hot chili, we will soon make him look pretty silly. Means we are going to settle some issues about the teacher. They are not telling him directly. We are going to go and settle someone's hash. So that he doesn't meddle with us. And it's Kalokumro and Tatkalonka. Fine. The chant continues till the end of the scene again. Scene 3. The train stops at Asansol station. That's my station next to my house. This is all about Bengal. The old man gets down to wash his face. He returns after a while. Boy again 2. Just imagine this boy number 2 is very naughty. Shouts, get off this coach if you know what's good for you, mister. The old man is saying, why? What's the matter? Boy 2 again, there are rats all over the place. Old man says, rats? Where? Boy 2, look for yourself. See what they have done to your pots over there. The old man sees that his pots are empty. All his sugar balls and sweets are gone. They were all rasgullas inside. In Bengal, they carry sweets in earthen pots. Before, now they are using other things to take, but still we get earthen pots to carry sweets. Boy 2, they have run off with whatever you had in the bundle of yours. 2. There was something in his bundles, kept together. Old man, poor creatures, they must have been very hungry. They haven't left a single mango behind. So in the bundles there were mangoes. Boy 2 again, oh no, they are always like that. Even if they are not hungry, they will tuck in all the same. And the boys start laughing. He says, don't worry, they were not hungry. Even if the rats are not hungry, they will take away everything. And they laugh again. Now the boy 1 is speaking. That's right, mister. If there had been anything more, they would have eaten that too. If there had been more than else than the mangoes or the sweets, they would have eaten that too. Old man, it's my fault. I would have known there would be all these rats on the train. I would have had some better stocked. I would have come better stocked. He said, my fault. If I would have known there are so many rats on the train, I would have brought more stock of sweets and mangoes. Boy 1 whispers to boy 3, why isn't he angry? Why isn't he angry? Boy 3 whispers back, I don't understand. Scene 4. The train stops at Bardhaman. They have to change trains. Old man, I won't trouble you young men anymore. I can find a seat in another coach this time. Boy 2, oh no, you must come with us. Boy 1, if there's anything left in your bundles, we will guard it all the way. Boy 3 is saying, we promise you won't lose anything else. Old man, very well. You go ahead and board the train. I will be along in a minute. The boys climb into a new train. A little later, the old man arrives with a sweet seller. His hands, each of them a bag full of sweets. He hands them each one of them a bag full of sweets. Old man, this time the rats won't go hungry, giving them the sweets. The boys cheer and mango seller comes along and mangoes are distributed as well. The boys are very happy. He buys mangoes, sweets, everything. He says, the sweets are brought, keep them, and the mangoes also becomes, a lot of mangoes are also bought. So now the rats won't be hungry anymore. They'll eat, let them eat. Tell us, where are you going and why? Boy 3 is asking. Old man, I'm looking for a job. I will go wherever I can find one. Boy 1, what sort of work can you do? Old man is saying, I'm a school teacher. I teach Sanskrit. Boy 2 claps his hand. Then you must come to teach in our school. Old man, but why should they have me? Boy 2, we will make them. We won't let Kalokumro, Tatka Lonka set foot in the neighborhood, you will see. Old man, you are making things difficult for me. What if your secretary doesn't like me? Boy 1, he'd better, else we'll all quit the school together. Old man, very well then, my sons, take me to your school. Scene 5, the train stops at the station. The secretary of the school is waiting on the platform. He sees the old man get off and comes to meet him. The boys watch from the train. Secretary, welcome, Master Tarkalonkar, sir. Your rooms are ready for you. He bends down and touches the old man's feet. The curtains stop. So the boys, that was the sir, and they were playing fool with them, and the sir was so nice. So you should not judge anyone before you meet anybody and think that he is bad or he is angry or he is going to do anything like that. Teachers are always good. Teachers love all their students all the same, the way they are. Read this chapter, do the word meanings, and your job is to do the comprehension skill, is your part. Okay, so we are done. Do all this for homework, watch the videos, go repeatedly check and learn things as fast as possible. And after that, first complete the homework and then you will get more homework. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless.